Alright, today we are out here, Escalon, California. Out here to check out the Electro Co dirt bike races. Looks like we just pulled up actually. It's like a lot of people out here. Yeah, so my first time out here, I'm with Von Eric right now. It's the second time, but it looks like it's a mixed e-bike and gas type of an event. So yeah, let's go check it out. Tons of people out here. Definitely mixed gas and e-bikes around. Saran right there. Damn, there's forks. Both for sale. 4,000. Oh yes. Hey.
Hey, bro, you know what? You're fucked. You can do it. I hate that.
Got Von's SX, QS.
Okay. Hey, still good?
Tire's still good, let's go.
Stretch last time. Well, he's good. He's in there. Let's try to break this out. Stretch.
Alright then, hungover boys. What's up, brother?
Hey.
Made it. What's it called again?
Best sandwich.
Best sandwiches in Stockton. Good looking out, Mercedes. Hey.
Yeah. You're still running the
Out here. What's up, Austin? What's up, baby? What you got going on over here? What you got going on?
Well, we're just putting a new battery in the old EMX Ron because it's about 1 billion degrees and I can't even think straight. Let's go.
Let's go, baby. Oh, damn. They're ready to ship, baby. Look at that. Sick.
That box
Legit.
isn't even the box.
That's not the box. That's the pre-box. Getting ready for race. About to start out here soon. Look at this trailer. We need this trailer for base camp, bro. Doubles as a merch booth. Oh wait, what's our IG?
Pacific _coast_minutes.
Got him. Right on.
Oh, I thought it was this. This is different, huh?
Speedpole's my other business.
Oh, okay.
So
yeah.
I do, I'm still hard parts,
Yeah, yeah.
meaning billet, machine and stuff. But I make flagpoles that go on the bed.
Oh, yeah, okay.
So,
What a flagpole.
yep, that's what pays so I can fuck around with this.
Alright, so we're out here just waiting for the race to start. It's about 12:53. A little behind schedule, but set to start in a few minutes.
morning and yesterday. Is he gonna wheel you a steep trick again?
You're gonna take your suit now? What we got here, Aldrin?
At least you guys can see what they do.
Yeah, no, for sure.
My kid's a good representative for that. 13.
Look at that.
Where's this guy? Tight.
Sick.
Built with tender loving care, baby.
Yes, sir. By Austin himself. Sick. Shout out to ENC, baby. Electro Co. We out here. Let's go. All right then, Vaughn. Leaving during the 110-degree weather. Here we go, baby. Ripping it. Let's go. Electro Co.